Mini USB microphone.
This mini USB microphone picks up clear sound for video tutorials, online classes, and video calls via Skype, Zoom, Slack, Hangouts, and other web conferencing apps. It improves the weak and far sound of the laptop inside microphone instantly, then let people hear you closely and clearly.
Install the microphone just in a second. Plug it into the USB port on your laptop, PC, or Mac, and bingo.
Omnidirectional polar pattern captures crystal clear audio equally from all sides of the microphone, perfect for recording audio for your webinars, vlogs, tutorials, and more. The 360-degree adjustable gooseneck can be shaped as you want to put the microphone in an ideal position.
Phone camera lens. Superfit iPhone Lens KI Professional HD lens minimizes lens glare, reflection, ghosting, and other artifacts for superb clarity.
Top-grade aluminum construction increases the durability of the product,
giving you an experience of DSLR quality performance and capture stunning photography. The 0.45x wide-angle lens largely increases your wide-angle range. Fit the entire family or the whole team into the picture. Give you a high-definition wide-angle image without distortion. More convenient and powerful to take clear and gorgeous pictures. Waterproof phone pouch. Certified IPX8 waterproof with HyreCool's triple-layer lockdown technology provides complete protection against water, snow, dust, and sand. Ensure your cell phone stays dry. This phone pouch provides a crystal-clear photo capture of the underwater world. EarFun Air Pro 3.
The EarFun Air Pro 3 earbuds are driven by premium 11mm wool composite dynamic drivers that deliver deep, moving bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Powered by the advanced QCC3071 chipset and Qualcomm aptX adaptive audio technology, the TWS earbuds deliver powerful sound and incredible range while minimizing distortion.
The Bluetooth earbuds headphones support connecting and switching between two devices simultaneously using the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology.
Enjoy low 55 milliseconds latency.
The DTTO iPhone 14 Pro case.
Exclusively designed for Apple iPhone 14 Pro 6.1-inch 2022 release.
Note: please confirm your mobile model before purchasing. Provide multiple iPhone 14 Pro case color choices for women, girls, and boys.
Enhanced camera and screen edges protect your iPhone 14 Pro from scratch, drop, and daily wear and tear.
Precise cutouts for easy access ports, buttons, and sensors cameras. Triple-layer design offers hybrid protection while keeping a slim-fit profile.
Liquid silicone which giving you baby-like skin tactile, extreme silky softness. Wireless charging is also supported by the iPhone 14 Pro phone case.
CHASDI dongle microphone. Minimalistic omnidirectional condenser microphone made of plastic body and 3.5mm 3-pole plug. Compatible with PS4 and Xbox One controller for game chat, party chat, or Cortana.